Welcome children. Today we are going to discuss the chapter number 4 from your textbooks, which is Advanced Features of Word Processor. So in this chapter we are going to discuss some advanced features which are there in the word processor. Through using these features you can create your Word documents. So in this video I'm going to take two topics. First is how you can find a particular text in your document and how you can replace a particular text in your document. So to learn more about this, so I'm going to open a Word document. Okay, so this is a Word document that I have already created. I will double click on this icon and I will open a Word document. This is my Word document. So why do we use this feature? A question arises, why do I need this feature of finding text and replacing text? So children, we might have a document where we have like 5 pages. We might have a document where we have 10 pages. Okay, so you have written a document and suddenly you realize that in your document there is a word that you have entered incorrect, right? But you cannot find where that word is written in your document. Okay, so using this find feature, what you can do is you can actually go ahead and find where that word is located in your document, whether it's a 10 pages document, no matter if it's a 20-page document. Okay, so it's very similar to just looking in your copies and finding a word and correcting its that word in your copies. Okay, when you're doing it in your copies you will have to read word by word, but when you're working in Word document, Word will do it automatically for you. Okay, so just see the steps that we need to follow to get this feature. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to open a Word document, right? This is my first page. Now I want to find where I have written this word margins in my document. Let's say I feel that I want to change a word in my document. I have written a word margins by mistake and I want to change that word. I want to do it margin. Instead of margins, I want to correct that word to margin. So first I need to find where that word is written in my document. So how I can find a particular word in my documents, just see the steps. So this is your document. You will first click on this home tab. This is at the top. Next to the file tab, you see the home tab. You will click on the home tab and on this right side, you will go to the right side and here you have three options: find, replace and select. So what you will do is you will click on this find option. You will click on this find option. I will click here. As soon as you click on find option, you see on the left side there is a navigation pane that opens. Okay, there is a navigation pane that opens. So in this navigation pane you see this, there is a search box, right? So I will write the word which I need to find in my document. I want to find the word margins in my document, so I will write this word margins here, margins. I will write this word, and as soon as you write this word, Word is going to highlight that word in your documents. You see this word margins is highlighted in yellow color in your documents. तो जहाँ पे भी ये word margins आपके document में लिखा होगा, वो word वहाँ जाके highlight हो जाएगा in yellow color. When as soon as it's highlighted, you can easily locate that word. Okay, so I know now my word margins is written here in my document. Let's try to find a different word. Now I want to, let's say, find the word day in my document. I want to see where I have written the word day in my document. So as you can see, as soon as I've written day, my Word document, Word has automatically highlighted this word day in my document. So you notice this word day was written on the second page of my document. So even if you have 10 pages document, Word is automatically going to search this word day and it is going to locate that word in your document with a yellow color. Okay, so this is how you use this option, find option. Remember, we are going to use this find option when I want to find the location, where I find the location of a particular word in my document. So now you have learned how you can find the word. So let's say there I have written, suppose there is a chance that you might have written a single word, let's say for 4 or 5 times in a document. So you can just see how you can search in that case. So suppose I want to find this word to. I have written this word to multiple times in my document. So wherever I have written this to, word is going to highlight all occurrences of this word to in my document. So आपने देखा मैंने यहाँ पे to लिखा है, तो word ने क्या किया, जहाँ जहाँ पे to लिखा हुआ है वहाँ वहाँ पे वो येलो कलर से हाईलाइट हो जाएगा to. यू कैन सी इट ऑन द सेकेंड पेज ऑल्सो. आपने देखा यहाँ पे भी टू जितनी बारी लिखा है, all the words to are highlighted in yellow color. Okay, so when they are highlighted in yellow color, you can easily locate it and you can just go ahead and change, or you want to delete it, you want to change the spellings, you can easily do it, right? So this is the first thing, how you can find the word. Now there is another thing. Suppose I want to find the word. ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि एक मैंने वर्ड लिख दिया है गलती से, लेट्स से आई हैव रिटन ही. मैंने अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में कहाँ जहाँ पे भी वर्ड ही लिखा है, आई वॉन्ट टू चेंज द वर्ड ही टू शी. Now there is a chance that he word is written, let's say 5 times or 10 times in my document. So I want जहाँ जहाँ पे he लिखा है word, वो सारे he को हटा के automatically he को she बना दे. It can be anything. Suppose I have written word to and I want that word should replace to with in, या टू के साथ कोई भी वर्ड. लेट्स से टू को हटा के वर्ड आई वांट कि वर्ड टू वर्ड को हटा के वहाँ पे लिख दे इन, राइट? सो दैट ऑप्शन आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस नाउ. दैट ऑप्शन इज कॉल्ड रिप्लेसिंग अ वर्ड. रिप्लेसिंग मीन्स एक वर्ड को हटा के उसकी जगह पे दूसरा वर्ड लिख देना. दिस इज कॉल्ड रिप्लेसिंग अ टेक्स्ट. So the first feature I discussed is finding the text. Now I'm going to go with replacing the text. So remember one thing, when I want to replace a word, word is going to first search that word. Suppose अब मुझे एक word है they, उसको हटा के उसको replace करना है them से. तो जब मैं इसको करूँगी, सबसे पहले word क्या करेगा? word पहले ये ढूंढेगा कि आपने word they लिखा कहाँ है. Suppose I want to replace this word margins. इसको मुझे replace करना है, margins को replace करके margin लिखना है. So word ने पहले क्या करना है, आपका word जिसको आपने replace करना है, which is margins, it is going to search that word कि आपने वो word actually लिखा कहाँ पे है. As soon as it finds its location, then you can replace that word. So this is all going to be done automatically by word. All you need to do is you just need to write the word which you want to replace, and you need to write the new word that you want to replace. Okay, so just see this option. Again, for replacing the text, you will click on home tab. In the home tab, you will see on the right side there are three options: find, replace. So I will click on replace. So as soon as I click on replace, you see this dialog box opens. This is a dialog box which is called find and replace dialog box. So in this option, you see there are two boxes written. First box is find what. In this box you will write the word that you want to replace. Means जिस word को आपको change करना है, आपको यहाँ पे वो word लिखना है. Suppose यहाँ पे मुझे word लिखना है margins, जिसको मुझे replace करना है. Replace with means जो नया word, जो change करके आप क्या लिखना चाहते हो. Find what में आप लिखोगे जिस word को आपने change करना है. Replace with में आप लिखोगे जो आप नया word डालना चाहते हो उसकी जगह पे. I want to write and then. So I'm just discussing it again. Replace में जाके here I want to replace. Find what में you will write the word that you want to change. I want to change this word margins. Margins को हटा के replace with में आप लिखोगे the word, the new word जिसको आपने change करके लिखना है. Now I want to write this word change with indent. Okay, so see carefully. Find what में you will write the old word that you want to change, and replace with में you will write the new word which you want to appear in your document. So once you do that, you just click on replace. When you click on replace, you can see this word margins is changed with word intent, and then you get a message, we are finished searching the document, and you press OK. Okay, this is what you do with find and replace options. These are the options. So how do you get these options? Find, replace from the home tab. In the next video, we are going to discuss some more advanced features. So stay tuned for the rest of the videos on this chapter. Thank you.